current hex value sort of is $0.032. Hex fall 0.29% in 7 days in a fundamentally significant manner. Hex cost investigation basically is negative today, or so they basically thought. First help level for hex really is at $0.030, which explicitly is very huge. 06 January 2024, in this video we will for the most part walk you through hex cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense. Got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what certainly is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for hex, essentially is hex a by and large wise venture. Which fundamentally is very huge. Hex help and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, prior to plunging extremely profound into the hex specialized investigation, in every way that really matters, let us sort of discuss the very current economic situations, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, whole digital money market to $1,643,998,096,525, incredibly. The exceptionally all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $58,832,899,756 in a significant manner. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which most certainly is very huge. Which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, kind of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value diminishing of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours in a huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span, so the genuinely all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $58,832,899,756, or so they especially thought. Sold a very local coin of Solana explicitly is somewhere near 6.74 and presently exchanging at $94.12, sort of additional appearance how market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,643,998,096,525, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Moreover, XRP came to 57 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.69% in esteem, especially further appearance how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the hex specialized examination, essentially let us really discuss the especially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market truly is going in a really descending bearing for kind of present moment, which for the most part shows that however prior to jumping sort of profound into the hex specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us essentially discuss the especially current economic situations, which by and large is very critical. As of now, a really broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which sort of is genuinely critical. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an especially significant way. Support basically is a level at which purchasers truly become in every way that really matters, all the more certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which dealers especially become move kind of dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in an unpretentious manner. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of hex execution. The in every practical sense, day-to-day diagram of hex generally shows that the hex cost has an especially descending development with a 1.19% reduction in beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how hex help and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. The value worth of the hex coin in a real sense is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, which basically is genuinely critical. HEX cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume generally is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars, which explicitly is very critical. HEX value examination HEX cost investigation for 06 January 2024, inside a kind of day-to-day time period, most certainly made sense of beneath, exhibiting what fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including most certainly straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving essentially normal, EMA, to by and large dissect the future development of the HEX. By and large further appearance how right now, a very broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line sort of is remaining beneath of the exceptionally signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that HEX help and obstruction levels, and so on in a sort of large manner. HEX financial backers need to truly hang tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, or so they in a real sense thought. HEX truly has a fundamentally the closest obstruction of $0.036, truly further appearance how the value worth of the HEX coin essentially is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, which fundamentally is very critical. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would in every practical sense support the upswing force, exhibiting how a bullish breakout in this opposition level would truly help the upturn energy, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 put at $0.039, showing how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54% in a for the most part significant manner. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers sort of betray the HEX, the explicitly bears could handle the market and generally take HEX cost underneath the urgent help level of $0.030, showing the way that the purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 set at $0.039. Showing how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54% in a kind of huge manner. While HEX's Williams percent R pointer especially is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange genuinely signal certainly is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how moreover, XRP came to 57 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.69% in esteem, genuinely further appearance how yet prior